Hello guys again, and welcome back. So today, as you saw in the title, today we have another problem and we will solve it. So my problem is today is error establishing a database connection. I tried everything, even I did where is it? Oh, I didn't post it yet, but I did a video about this issue and it solved it last time, but this time it didn't. So for now, I want to do a, let's say, troubleshoot that removes this website and reinstall it again. Or let's say uninstall WordPress and then reinstall it, but this time from Hostinger. All right, so first of all, let's go to websites and then go to manage. And then let's go a little bit down, websites, and then auto installer. Great. Now, as you can see here, you will find your websites if you have some other sub websites inside this URL or domain, you can find it. But until now, I just have this. So for that reason, I will go here on the 3 points and then I will delete it. Whew, oh my God, it seems so, I don't know, stressing, but yeah, it's okay. Now, please select these two, let's say, check boxes. Yeah, that's right. And then just delete. Great. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, now it's done. Great. It seems so stressing, but yeah. Now we don't have anything as you can see here. Let's refresh. It's better. I love refreshing things. All right. Now we will reinstall again WordPress or our website again, and we will plug the WordPress. Now select WordPress from here. By the way, you have lots of other things. You can do WooCommerce, Joomla, etc., etc. But now let's just select WordPress and then give your website a title. For me here, it's Dark Diary. By the way, check it and give a password. Don't forget it. And next, then install. Just don't care about these stuff. It is just the application version or the WordPress version and also the PHP version. Okay, install and let's wait a moment. Okay, as we can see here, the website is still like that. Let's just wait a moment for it and then we will refresh the website and you can see or you will see the new or the fresh version of your website. Okay, so now everything is done. Great. Let's go here, refresh. Yay. So here our website is working again. All right, now let's open the admin or WP admin of our website. Just here, WP admin. And now you'll be redirected to the login form. So type your login username or email and your password that you said before. Login and up. Here is our WordPress dashboard, and you can work easily with it. All right, if you have now the version or the old version of your website, you can merge it or migrate it here. So we will go here to plugins. Okay, for me, I have the all-in-one WP migration plugin here. So I will just install it from here. Then activate it. All right, after this, as you can see here, if I want to import my website or the file, here I have just 512 megabytes, while my version or the version that I have is, I think, 1 gigabyte or more. So for that, we will change the size or the maximum upload file size. So let's go here, let's write 10 gigabytes, 2 bytes, and then let's go a little bit down, and here is it. after this, let's go back to here. Let's go tools and plugin file editor, or you can find it here. For me here, I don't have it in plugins, but I have it in tools. All right, I understand. Then go here, select all-in-one WP migration, then constants. And after that, Control F and search for max, and here you can find it, maximum file size, and just change this here and go down, update file. Let's go here, import. Okay, for me, I love always to refresh for no reason. But here now we have 10 gigabytes. For importing the file, just import file and then select your version. Okay, for me, where is it? Where is it? Okay, let's select this one. And let's wait for it. All right, so after waiting a little bit until the green thing attend 100%, then I clicked on proceed, and then some other files will be restoring or restored. But I'm so sorry I didn't capture this. I really truly forgot because I'm working also, so that's why. And after clicking proceed, this will be appearing for you. Just click on close and then refresh your website. And here you can find your website and everything is working well. So this is the end of the video. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'm sure, I guarantee you that you will find lots and lots and lots of other fixes or solutions here. Thank you and bye bye.